Whooping cough is on the rise around the metro right now. The Minnesota Department of Health is reporting the highest number of cases in over 10 years. Ellen Gallis joins us now with what you need to know to keep you and your family healthy. We even had a little scare at our school for our kids, Ellen, so it's all over the place.
It is going around. You know, whooping cough is also nicknamed the 100-day cough because doctors say it lingers and it continues to spread longer than other infections, which could be contributing to this spike in recent cases. 6-month-old Jovi just got her whooping cough vaccine here at Hennepin Healthcare's Richfield Clinic. Her dad says he hopes it helps keep her healthy as cases spread.
As a parent, I have to make sure she's vaccinated.
Cases of whooping cough, or pertussis, are on the rise right now. As of December 5th, the Minnesota Department of Health was reporting more than 2,300 cases statewide. That's the highest since 2012. Most of those cases are concentrated in Hennepin County in patients ages 5 to 17 years old.
Winter brings us together, meaning we all congregate inside.
Dr. Krishnan Subramanian with Hennepin Healthcare says the reason for the spike is a combination of many factors, from the spread after Thanksgiving holiday gatherings to vaccination lapses since COVID.
I think a lot of us have gotten out of the habit of going to the doctor, about getting checked up, making sure we're up to date on the things we need to.
He also says whooping cough can be stubborn and can spread for weeks. So anyone who has symptoms and a fever that lingers for more than 2 to 3 days should consult a doctor.
There is a treatment. We have a good set of antibiotics. Oh, okay. Perhaps even more importantly, we know that it can be prevented, meaning we can give medicine to family members of an exposed or infected individual to help prevent the spread.
Now, most kids get vaccinated for whooping cough as infants and then again at age 10 or 11. But doctors also say that you should continue to get vaccinated every 10 years, and that includes adults. Back to you.